Today we'll talk about how can you enable text messages on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on communications. You just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to SMS text messages here. Just click in this sign. Like you see, this color here show for us. So that's mean here SMS text messages enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.